guys! What is up?
I was waiting till you did something. Stop! Yeah.
Yes! Intro!
Now I'm laughing. Hello everyone, so for today's video I'm basically going to try and be vegan for a week. I did the same kind of video in summer but it was only for a day. Danny's going to join in too.
No, I'm not.
If you didn't know, I'm not vegan or vegetarian or pescatarian or anything like that. We don't eat too much meat, but I definitely eat dairy products. So I feel as though this week's going to be kind of hard, but I'm actually really excited to do it, to try new stuff. I said I was excited.
Excited you're nervous.
Did I say I was nervous?
No.
If I said I was nervous, it doesn't mean it. So it's Monday morning right now, and I usually have a coffee in the morning with cow's milk, so I can't do that this morning. So I'm going to try it with like an alternative milk. What kind of milk have you got? Soy milk. I personally actually don't really like milk alternatives. Unless it's, I don't mind oat milk and hot chocolate, but that's about it.
That tastes like porridge though.
No, it tastes nice and like, oh, I don't think you do have any milk.
Sweet almond milk.
I don't know. I've never tried it in coffee. I've only tried it in tea, and I'm not a fan. Oh my god, my arm hurts so bad. I can't find any. Oh wait, there's some. There's not a lot left. Okay, we've got some soy milk. What? They're sitting out. Is that fine? Just ignore that I'm literally in my pajamas. I basically just woke up.
No, I'm not gonna ignore it. Be slow.
What? I don't think this.
Cappuccino.
Oh.
What was you done?
It's got some black bits inside it. Okay, so we're not having a coffee this morning. Okay, it turned out the milk was mouldy, so I'm just gonna have a glass of water.
Vegan!
It's well later and I was gonna try and wait until we'd gone to the shops to eat something, but I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna have a slice of toast with some vegan spread. I promise that the rest of the week, hopefully we'll have some more interesting meals after we've been to the shop and bought some vegan things. I wish I was kidding right now, but the vegan butter is also mouldy. But I found this.
Jules, it says Flora Buttery on it.
So it's not vegan.
Wait, I don't know, but I would assume not.
I think it is. Yeah. 100% plant goodness. It says it may contain traces of milk. Do you think that's fine?
Yeah.
Okay. I found this, which is going to work too. This looks like a very sad bit of toast. Okay, Danny just brought this soup back from the shops, just tomato and basil. We usually get lentil soup from Tesco, which I filmed in my what I eat in a day video, but apparently that's not vegan.
Yeah, it's got ham hock. It's 35% ham hock. It's not even veggies.
What? Okay, so we're just drinking our soup right now, but Danny...
Drinking?
I knew you were going to say that. You drink soup.
Uncut. Take two.
We're just eating our soup right now.
Oh, sorry.
But Danny bought some almond milk and made me a latte, so I'm just going to taste test it and see how I feel. I don't think I'm going to like this. Not at all. Ugh. Wait, let me try again. Just
Make some chilli in the crock pot.
Classic Iona, hasn't it? I'm so sorry.
I'm going to make enough to do me own, so I don't have to go eat it.
no. I could drink it, but I wouldn't choose to drink it.
That was really zoomed in there.
So we just come back from the shops, and basically for
The lighting's a bit rubbish.
Huh?
The lighting's a bit rubbish.
Wait, let me turn the main light on. So it's...
Okay, go.
So we just got back from the shops, and for dinner tonight we're gonna have pesto. We actually had to buy new pesto because the pesto we already had wasn't vegan. So we got vegan pesto, and then we also got some of these soy vegan meatballs. So I don't really know how this is gonna taste. So we're gonna go to the gym after dinner, and we were trying to find protein bars. Waitrose had like no vegan options at all, which was not great. But we did find these, peanuts and chocolate. I like the peanut and caramel one because I don't actually like dark chocolate, but hopefully this is gonna taste good. So we're gonna make dinner now. I'm really hungry.
Gravy.
Nice.
Weird. Texture, but good flavour.
The biscuits are nice. So it's Tuesday night and for breakfast we're having porridge with, what kind of milk have you got in yours? Almond milk. And Danny also added chocolate to his. Okay. What are you doing?
Tastes like porridge.
We're also having
cappuccino
cappuccinos with soy milk this time instead of almond milk because we didn't like almond milk yesterday.
Tastes alright.
So Danny added, Danny added chocolate to his porridge. I added a wee bit of sugar. I don't love porridge, but it's okay. But I don't know how it's going to taste with soy milk. I think I need more sugar. It'll be fine. Because it tastes okay actually, I quite like that. Okay, now I'm going to try my soy milk latte. Hopefully this...
Fucking...
Cappuccino, sorry. Hopefully this goes better than yesterday. Also ignore my hair, it looks like that. I don't really like it. Maybe it's just the coffee part I don't actually like. It's also pancake day today, so we're gonna make vegan pancakes later.
For dinner?
Yeah, probably would have made more sense to have them for breakfast.
No, dinner time. Pancakes for dinner.
We went to a vegan, I don't know if it's actually a vegan food shop, but it has tons of vegan food. So we bought some bacon, some vegan bacon to have with our pancakes. I feel as though I've tried this before, but I can't really remember what it was like. And then we also bought these soy caramel dessert things. Thanks. So not sure how these are going to taste either. Do you want to try these now?
Is it not to be forbidden?
Okay. Also, I know I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday, but I mean...
O-O-O-T.
Yeah, anyway. We're going to make the vegan pancakes now.
Need much butter here to be fair, but... Wait. Look. It's a down and up and scoop.
It's not.
Right, sure.
Is temporarily suspended all out of hours service.
No!
Let's put burnt now. I quite like that.
It tastes like
It
frazzles.
doesn't taste like bacon, yeah, it tastes like frazzles. Okay, let me try the pancakes now. I don't love pancakes anyway.
Oh no!
Okay, I'm about to try one of the, oh man, this is weird. Have you tried it?
Not yet.
I'm about to try one of the caramel pots. It looks a bit...
Can I get a close up on that action?
It's a
Oh!
bit lumpy.
Oh! I'm...
It's like jelly.
It looks like our pancake mix.
This is not caramel.
Yeah, this does not taste like caramel at all.
What does it taste like? Oh, it's custard.
It's not custard.
It does not taste like custard.
Creme caramel. Cinnamon.
Have you finished it?
This is so weird.
I hate this.
I need some different lighting. We went to the gym and we just got back and we've made like a second dinner kind of, because the pancakes were meant for a dinner but they were kind of a lunch. We basically made rice with chickpeas and curry sauce. Is it nice? I haven't tried it.
Don't shoot curry sauce, going for pancakes from the chippy.
Pardon?
It's not curry sauce from the chippy.
Oh no, like curry paste. I don't know what kind it is.
Gujarati.
We've also bought a
Where did you get
pineapple
that?
to have.
Gujarati.
We've also got a pineapple to have afterwards. We have the rice because that's carbs, so it refuels us. I don't know. Okay, the chickpeas are good protein after the gym,
And the vegan,
so that we can get
vegan
hinged.
protein
And
as well.
the good vegan protein. I like so bad.
And it tastes really good.
I also had one of the protein bars from yesterday after the gym. It was quite yummy. Okay, actually maybe I should sit up. Okay, so yeah.
I need a pee!
So it's Wednesday now and we went out for breakfast this morning actually. We went to somewhere near, kind of near my flat actually. I don't want to say where because people don't know where I live. I ordered an acai bowl which was vegan. Not gonna lie, I didn't love it. Kind of all the taste I was getting was coconut. Danny disagreed, but I honestly swear I was only tasting coconut. And then what did you get? A smoothie. Some sort of smoothie. I filmed a clip, so I'll insert it. But some sort of like peanut butter, cacao. Is that what you call it?
Cacao?
Is that what you call it?
I don't know, cacao.
Cacao? I don't know.
Not cacao.
A date smoothie. So yeah, we had that. It's still kind of early. We had to get up so early for that this morning. It was horrible. But it's still kind of early. But I didn't really eat much of it. So we're going to go out and get some lunch on the game. Are we going to go to Pizza Hut?
Yeah, there's the vegan.
Okay, so the pizza, vegan, sorry.
What the fuck are you saying?
So Pizza Hut released a new vegan pizza today. I think they already did vegan pizzas, if I'm correct.
But there's vegan
But
stuff.
it's a vegan stuffed crust.
So apparently you have to collect it. I don't know if I've ever seen it on the menu though. So I don't know.
What comes out today?
No, the vegan pizza.
Apparently you can't get it delivered. Also, I saw on somewhere that you can get it for £2.50, but I actually don't know if that's true. Because I walked past Pizza Hut and looked and they didn't have anything
Our Pizza
about
Hut's
that.
balls though.
Yeah, we do not like the Pizza Hut near now.
We do though, but we don't. It's minging.
Also, there's a really grumpy guy that works there and he like hates
What if he's
us.
like your biggest fan and you just ruined it?
He like, yeah, he was really rude to us one time and I don't know why. Also, update on the faking last night. We decided we did not like it. While I was eating it, I thought it wasn't that bad, but it was afterwards. We went to the gym afterwards and all I could just taste was fake bacon. Also, if you're wondering why we haven't mentioned like uni or anything like that, our uni's on strike right now. So we had a wee bit of a disaster. We left to go get pizza from Pizza Hut, like we already mentioned, the vegan pizza. However, it turned out they didn't even do the vegan pizza at the Pizza Hut near us. And then Danny has lost his keys, so we were locked out the flat for how long?
2 years, wasn't it?
Like 2 hours. It was like 2 hours. Yeah. So we ended up going to Pret and I got a squash and lentil dal soup, which was quite nice. And then I also got a vegan cookie, which actually, usually I don't like really chocolatey cookies like double chocolate chip, but this cookie was actually really nice. So I would recommend if you are going to Pret. I think we're going to have maybe vegan lasagna or vegan bolognese for dinner.
Fiver
Is this on? For dinner tonight, we're making vegan lasagna. So we bought an onion and we bought some lasagna sheets.
I thought you bought some onion and some lasagna.
Some vegan white sauce.
Nothing to do with easy.
And we bought some vegan bolognese sauce. I don't even like lasagna, but I think hopefully it'll taste nice. I'm just hoping, I think because normal lasagna is quite cheesy and this doesn't have real cheese, hopefully I'll like it.
Oh yeah, I'm putting cheese in it. Well, not real cheese, but you know.
You sat over there with a
In the bottom. Oh, it's not spreading well at all. It's like sunk in the bottom.
I thought you'd already put the pasta on.
Because Italian restaurant workers, they just
Right. Did it break a little bit soft, don't we? Oh, that's not gone well at all.
Evan, have you seen this? He's breaking the pasta.
What are you doing?
Danny's incompetent. I can't make lasagna. So,
It's down to us.
we're taking
Right, remember this.
Did we work at an Italian restaurant in summer?
Actually, Danny, where did you work at summer?
Look at this fucking no.
Might have to be a thin.
It's a bit like wallpaper paste. Always my beds.
You're weird. That's like
no.
Right on Miss Hairy Legs.
We're making our own garlic bread because they had no vegan garlic bread at the shops. Thoughts?
Tasty.
I've just got pasta, please hold.
We did a good job on garlic bread.
It's Thursday now and For breakfast, what? For breakfast, we just had some toast with the vegan spread, obviously.
Obviously.
But we're going out tonight quite early, so I reckon we'll just have like one more big meal. Hi guys, for dinner tonight we're just having some
dented laptops.
spicy ramen from Tesco because we're going out, and this is usually what we have when we go out. And then we're also accompanying this by a glass of wine with some apple and blackcurrant diluted juice. So it's Friday right now, and I'm currently making some Heinz vegetable soup. I really wish now that I had got spaghetti hoops, but it's fine. We woke up quite late this morning, so I just had some cucumber for breakfast. So I'm having soup now. I'm really hungry. I also bought some skips because they turned out to be vegan. Then we also picked up some oat milk to make hot chocolate. So I'm excited for that because it's really hot outside, so we're going to sit and watch Twilight. I think today's going to be the last day that I'm going to film this, because I think I probably have quite a lot of footage right now. Not sure, I'll have to double check. And also, I had a dream last night that I was drinking a glass of milk. So I really don't know how much longer I can do this for. Sorry about the lighting, but it is Friday evening right now. We're just about to have our last meal of this vegan week. And we're just going to have pesto with the soy meatballs again because we still have some left over. So I'm not going to film it because you already saw that on Monday and I don't want this to be boring. But
I'm bored.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. I just want to say that if you're vegan, then well done, because I personally struggled with this. How did you find it?
I'm hungry.
You still ate food.
That's not vegan though.
Sorry, I didn't realise it was still vegan.
I personally don't really feel any different. Like,
No, not at all.
like, yeah, but I do think it was very hard. I wish
Vegan.
that we could do
Good
it
job.
and be vegan, but right now I don't think I could. Could be vegetarian.
Yeah, definitely vegetarian, Gigi.
Yeah. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Also, I know that we didn't really eat the healthiest, so please don't judge us.
Veganism
but we
doesn't
were,
mean health.
yeah, and we were just trying to try new foods.
I like chips.
Also, I think in every single clip, or like every single day, I wore my joggies and a jumper. So
Yeah, but this time was
also
my
don't judge
jumper.
me with that,
That's the
so-
jumper I've been wearing for
Yeah.
the past 4 days.
But I hope you enjoyed this video, like I've said like 3 times.
I hope you enjoyed this
And
video.
I will see
Rebecca,
you in my
do you
next
hope you enjoyed
one.
this video?
I really hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
I hope so.
Except
Sorry
they
it's not
won't.
too boring.
Except they won't because I'm in it.
Yeah, that's true.
So
You in it a wee bit.
Oh.
The lasagna bit's a good bit.
Oh,
I edited it. It was
then you
quite
will
funny.
really enjoy it, guys.
Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Also, I would encourage anyone to try this, just to like try and experience it.
Try new things.
Yeah.
Follow your dreams.
Bye.
Spread your wings and fly.